That's all I know.
If you are a Chinese wholesaler in Port Moresby Lae, provincial substitutor or mine procurement buyer in PNG, you know exactly how tough local power issues are. Most provincial areas and mining sites have no stable grid, expensive diesel, costly inland transportation, and frequent generator failure open eat up your profit all year round. DCTIMES 350 watt kilowatt an hour all-in-one high voltage storage is the perfect solution for PNG mines and remote businesses. Full DC integrated design, no extra inverter needed. Heat and dust resistant, fully adapted to harsh mining areas and tropical environments. It delivers stable 24/7 off-grid power for mining camps, warehouses, and shops, cutting your profits from 60% to 70% and lower your operational risks. We offer factory-directed sales price, exclusive professional agency rights, mine certification documents, and professional remote technical support. PNG distributor and mining purchasers, DM me now for wholesale price and long-term cooperation.